Welcome to the Perched Quizmaster. You have to guess the 50 U.S. states by their flags. You'll see 50 multiple-choice questions, and you have just 5 seconds to answer each one. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Let's get started. Can you guess the U.S. state by looking at this flag? California. Which U.S. state does this flag represent? South Carolina. Identify the state based on this flag. New Mexico. Do you know which U.S. state has this flag? Ohio. Recognize the U.S. state by this flag. Arizona. What state does this flag belong to? Texas. Which state is represented by this flag? Alabama. Can you name the state from this flag design? Louisiana. Which flag belongs to this U.S. state? Wyoming. Choose the correct state that uses this flag. Indiana. This flag is used by which U.S. state? Delaware. Do you recognize this flag's state? Massachusetts. From which state is this official flag? Montana. Guess the state that uses this flag. Illinois. This is the flag of which U.S. state? Maine. Can you tell which state this flag is from? Colorado. Which U.S. state has this flag design? Nevada. Do you know the state behind this flag? New York. Name the state shown by this flag. New Jersey. Which state flag are you looking at here? North Dakota. Select the correct state for this flag. Wisconsin. What U.S. state is this flag from? Florida. Which state's identity is shown through this flag? Georgia. This state flag belongs to which place? Idaho. Match this flag to the correct state. New Hampshire. Identify this state using its flag. Alaska. Whose flag is this among the U.S. states? Missouri. This flag represents which of the 50 states? Connecticut. Determine the state from its flag. Pennsylvania. What state is shown in this flag image? Oregon. Which state's flag are you viewing? Michigan. Try to identify the state using this flag. Virginia. Who does this U.S. flag belong to? It's Tennessee. Which of these states is represented by this flag? Rhode Island. Pick the correct state associated with this flag. Vermont. What state uses this flag across the U.S.? Minnesota. Can you tell which flag belongs to which state? Arkansas. Guess the U.S. state from this flag image. Washington. This is the official flag of which state? North Carolina. Find the U.S. state that this flag belongs to. South Dakota. Choose the correct match for this U.S. flag. It's Kentucky. Identify this flag from the 50 U.S. states. Oklahoma. Can you link this flag to its state? Hawaii. This flag represents which U.S. state? Kansas. Match this flag to one of the U.S. states. Iowa. Name the correct U.S. state this flag belongs to. Maryland. Do you recognize which state uses this flag? Mississippi. Which U.S. state uses this particular flag? Nebraska. From which state does this flag originate? Utah. Can you correctly match this flag to a state? West Virginia. Great job. You've completed the quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun quizzes. We have plenty of exciting challenges coming your way. And if you want to test yourself even more, check out our other quiz videos linked on the screen. Thanks for playing, and see you in the next quiz.